So you have big named headers and little tiny data. For instance, in our case, we have these people we want to email, we want to get a reply from them, and if we don't get a reply, we want to follow up and see if they're going to attend an event. But you see here on the right, everything's a checkbox, but the header is pretty wide. And if we want to make this a bit smaller, you'll see that the header is bigger than the data inside. So how do we fix this? I'm going to tell you one little trick here. We're going to rotate these headers. Go to text rotation. It's here in the menu bar, and we're going to rotate up. Now, it's going to look weirder, way weirder, but check this out. If we increase the row size a little bit more, we see now that they all fit. Let's center both ways. Nice. And we can make it even smaller now. Now you see the width of the text is the same or similar to this check. We could also, if we want to make this a little bit easier to read, rotate this as a tilt up. And that might be fun too. You may have to redo the alignment here. So we will align to the left. And you see there, maybe that's a little bit easier to read. But we can also keep them straight up and down. If you're looking for this not in the menu bar, you can go up to Format, Rotation, and here are the possibilities. Tilt up, tilt down, have the angle. You can rotate up or rotate down if you want to make it from the left up to the right down. And we also have some custom angles here in between, maybe 15 degrees. Not that great. But you have some options there. Enjoy. If you're looking to get more out of your Google Sheets than you ever have before, subscribe here on YouTube to Better Sheets.